Good morning. This is a video on the 4-piece stacking packing cubes. There's one. There is two. There is three. And there is four. I'll show you how easy this is to pack your bag and your coffee. And you're going to pack my bag, starting with the big one first. Pack my suitcase. Two. Number three. Number four. And it packs my suitcase. And now wherever you're going, you are ready to go with your 4-piece packing cubes. Holds everything. I put major clothes in the first one, like jeans and shirts. Second one, I usually put in like socks and underpants, undergarments. Third one, sometimes I'll throw in flip-flops or a pair of nice shoes that I don't want to be next to anything, because you don't know what you've walked on, you know what I mean, for just hygienic reasons. The last one I put in just a few, you can go ahead and take them back out, Rich, one by one. The last one I usually put in just essentials, bathing stuff. You know, you gotta have toothpaste, you have to have deodorant, you have to have baby powder if you're a female. And then little shoes. I just like the little shoes or just slides. And of course, that one's got a pair of jeans, but usually it's just undergarments and socks and things. And of course, this is, it was packed. I mean, it was folded, but of course it's not now. Alright, well, thank you for tuning in to this video. Thank you.